wash your foot. I think that was a cutoff. Volkswagen. Yeah. You're in the red. Yeah, you're in the red. Yeah, there's a cutoff. It wasn't really a stop, dude. Go ahead, your turn. Not your turn. Thank you. We're in the red or red. Hey. Yeah. 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 Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Tough guy. That's how I say it, Fonzie. Move over. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move in. No. Move over, stupid. We're in the red. Don't hit me. Jesus Christ, douchebag. Somebody wanna go? You just sat through the fucking green light, stupid. Someone lost their drawers. I'm sorry, they dropped their drawers. Are you turning right here? Being a douche. Yeah, you're a douche. Look at you, all the way to the red light. We're in the red. Thank you. What are you doing? Do you know where the hell you're going? What are you? Don't. Is it? Yeah. Don't run it. You ran it. That's perfect sense. Just can't get it. How about that stop sign, douchebag? Someone's there. Hello, 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 hello. Dumbass. Shut that. Cut off. A little slower, dude. A little douchier, dude. Thanks. Alright, like, super douche. Oh, hi. I'm not here, lady. No problem. You want to stop, maybe? No, you still managed to not stop. That's cool. That's cool. Yellow. Red. You ran that. You blew that. That'll pick up. Stop saying anything, you grandma. Almost choked on my chicken fry. You totally missed the stop line, dude. No turn on red, no turn on red. Dumbass. Hi, hello, someone there, thank you. I have a feeling you're jumping this. Yep, jumping. Yep, jug handle creep. Toyota.